Hi, welcome to a video made by a blind person. Yeah, too blind to care what the visuals look like. Hi everyone, I don't know what kind of vlog this is going to turn out to be. I tried to vlog last week and ended up not going through with it. I don't know if I'm going to go through with it this week or what, but all I do know is it's 9:17 a.m. 9:17. I have 10 to 20 minutes before my ride shows up to take me to my volunteer thing that I do on Wednesdays. Then I've got a few hours, well, an hour and a half maybe, at home before my other ride shows up to take me to this appointment, and then coming home. It ends up adding up to a pretty busy day, which is why Wednesday is probably my busiest day at this point. Hello? Okay, I'll be right there. Does that sound like a car engine to you or like a car heater? I think we hear the heater in that car more than the engine. I am at my volunteer location right now. I really wish I could get a job where I just did this, or yeah, I wish I could get a job just chopping vegetables. I mean, I do that for this place on a volunteer basis. There's probably a lot of places I could do it on a volunteer basis, but I wish I could get paid for it. I like to do it. This particular day, I chopped baby carrots, cherry tomatoes, which really didn't make a whole lot of sound getting cut up, and celery, those nice long stalks of celery. Sometimes you get two different people picking me up on two different legs of a trip. Sometimes, like today, you get the same person picking you up in the same vehicle. See what I mean? You hear this car's heater more than the engine.
$9.99 numerous flat fares. Web limit /29/2017 on the way via.
I wish Uber would offer these flat fares just 365 days a year. Instead of from time to time and then they're gone. That's my ride telling me that they're out here. Some people call me on the security system. Some people call me on my phone. One of these days my phone's going to be in the other room and I'm going to miss that and then you're not going to know what to do. I mean, I suppose as long as that doesn't happen and they don't no-show me, that's all that matters, but I wish they would all learn to do the same thing. Oh well. Now it's on to another car. Not quiet really, but not the run-of-the-mill car either, at least not what most of us think of run-of-the-mill car, or run-of-the-mill car, whatever that term is, car. Believe me, it takes longer than that to get to that appointment. Just through the magic of editing, it took about 30 seconds, if that. Obviously, I'm not going to vlog during the actual appointment. You know, it's interesting. Some cars seem to make no noise at all. Other cars make plenty of noise. I mean, have you noticed that today? Yeah, but hold on a minute. I didn't know what a quiet car was until I've been in this car on the way home. This has got to be the quietest car known to man.
It is. It's really cool.
Have we started yet? Has the car started yet? I'm hearing nothing at all.
You don't hear anything.
only when you're actually accelerating does it start making noise. Man. I guess if you ask a million people what car they drive, you get a million different answers if you talk to a million drivers. If you talk to 500,000 drivers who drive and 500,000 blind people or elderly people or people just who choose not to drive, you're going to get 500,000. Go talk to somebody who drives and 500,000 different, well, this is the kind of car I drive answers. But wow, I guess no car's alike and no car sounds alike either. Well, on that note, I will call this a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for whatever the next video is, whenever it is. Bye.